Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today we have another scent from Abdul Kareem Al Faransi, Anthony Maison Marmin. Maison Anthony Marmin, I'm not sure. I really forget this. Anyhow, this is Al Quds. Al Quds means the holy. And actually it is mostly we Muslims we call Al Quds the holy mosque in Palestine. We call it Palestine. So it means the holy. Okay. So the holy mosque of Al Quds mosque normally. So let's find out how this actually smells. Does it smell holy or not? And I would really assume that it should have some Arabic or Middle Eastern kind of touch to it, maybe some spiciness or something like that. So let's test Al Quds from Abdul Kareem Al Faransi. So I am going to apply it on a stick, on this strip, not on a stick but a strip. Oops, so this is sometimes very difficult to open. Okay, so let's find out how this Al Quds actually smells. It has Hindi oud, it has amber, it has some spices. I think I am going to apply it on my skin. So let's apply it on my skin, the right hand. Oops. So let's apply it on my thumb right now, left thumb. This is really nicely blended. Very nice. Amber, Hindi oud. Maybe some ambergris. I'm sensing ambergris. Maybe some sea kind of ocean vibe. Here we have fermented oud oil, but on my skin, yes, there is ambergris. It is really nice. I think it is Hindi oud and ambergris, maybe some grey ambergris, or I'm not sure what kind of ambergris, but it has some sea oceanic kind of scent to it. And then it has Hindi oud, sweet, damp, very balanced kind of scent. I really enjoy sniffing it, but if you don't like Hindi oud oils or you're not accustomed to oud oils, I think this is not for you. This is really nicely done. I think it is going to get 8 or 9. 8 or 9 out of 10, yes. It is ambergris, it is oud. I don't sense any floral. Maybe something is there, but I don't sense. I think it should be called amber oud or ambergris oud. Yes, there is some sweetness. Maybe something is there. I'm not sure. Maybe some vanilla or something like that. But it is in really not. I think it might not be vanilla. Something else, but really nicely blend. This one is Al Quds from Abdul Kareem Al Faransi. You can see that this scent is so good that I'm forgetting the name. This is really nicely blended. Amber and oud. Ambergris. This is actually ambergris is the material we get from the sperm whales, and it has a sweeter oceanic kind of vibe to it, and it is kind of very damp or wet kind of feeling to it. And then we have Hindi oud oils. Yes, Hindi oud oils have some fermentation notes in there, so it is a very nice blend of ambergris and oud. I would really love to recommend it for men. Women might, pull this off if they are from Arab countries. They might love it, but I definitely would. There is some freshness or lightness on the strip, but on my hand, yes, I think there is vetiver in there. This is a really, really lovely blend. This is really, really nicely done. Hats off. This is, I think it is going to get like 8 or 9, just like Amber Ash Sheikh, the one I really loved. So this one is going to get definitely 8.5. So I'm going to rate it now. Out of 10, it is going to get 8.5 or 9 out of 10 for the scent profile, and for performance I would give it like 7 out of 10. I think it is not going to be very powerful or dominating, but overall it is one of the best from Abdul Kareem Al Faransi in my opinion. So this is my review about Al Quds from Abdul Kareem Al Faransi. And if you are from Arab countries, I think you would definitely like it or love it. Mostly Arab countries, they call it Amber Oud or Ambergris Oud. Basically, this is the combination of these two ingredients. And that is all. I will see you with another scent soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.